Let me show you best display color settings for Honor 600. So we're gonna start by opening settings on our device. We can go into display and brightness and then customize our screen colors with with color mode and temperature. When you enter it, I would recommend to put it on the vivid, or if those options are locked down, then you will need to go for personalized colors right here, and then you will need to disable this option entirely. That way you'll be able to adjust those colors manually. So here I'm gonna go for the vivid option, and then we can enter advanced settings. In advanced settings, I have it like this, so the red is on a minimum 60, as the colors for the phone, if you put it on 100, as you can see, by default it will look very reddish. So I prefer to have it around 60. Of course you can lower or increase it if you like those warmer tones. And then there's options for green, and on this display I would recommend to put it on 100 or keep it at 90 if it feels too much green. You can also adjust the blue colors, and for me it's best on 70. That way the colors are just right, like they look. The screen display in this case on the light mode looks very whitish, which is perfect. And hue, I'm not gonna touch this, and also other parameters like contrast and sharpness are for preference, so you can adjust it on your own. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.